Okay, I'm going to try 5 and 4s. If you went to 4s on the other.
Welcome back, Diana.
I think I'm on all 4s. That's where you had me before. Just to see the difference. What the hell? If you don't like it, let me know. I'll go back to all 4s. See, here I am on all 4s. But it sounds, the car noise is louder on 5. Crank, crank, crank. Where the fuck are you, bitch? There. Yeah, I'll leave these on 4s because that's what you're going to go to anyway, right? Kira's on 8, the other guy's on 4, and I got Master on 5. See if this is still okay, because that's what you're going to set. But, you know, it might sound different because I'm using the webcam, and it's about, I don't know, 2-3 feet away from me. So that could be a difference because you're eating your mic. Or I guess you're still eating it. I don't know. So see if you like this. See if the car noise is better. That's what 5 does. I had everybody on 4. If you'll notice, there'll be louder car noise now. I don't know if you can remember how all 4s sounded. I'll put it back on all 4s and you can see the difference. Go for it. Totally awesome. Take that son of a bitch out. Got this guy going. Took it. Oh, fucking. Okay, that was that. That's 5 on Master and all 4s except Kira on 8. All right. Now I'm going to go back to 4 on Master and see if you tell a difference. It'll cut the car noise down. This is what cuts the car noise down. The tires and the car and the bullshit doesn't do squat. And you watch this. When I turn this to 4, the car's going to be quieter. All right, we're gone. Here we go. So, tell me if you like it. See, this is 4 on Master, and I have 5 on Master. 5 on Master makes the car better, and you can still hear me talk. This is 5 and 4. So you can compare the two. Hit the bricks. I don't give a shit. Crash those numbers. Okay. All right. So you can still hear me, but the car noise went down. My voice is probably the same. At least that's how it sounds to me. Okay, we're out of here. That was 4 all the way across again, like I had before. I haven't seen your email, so I don't know if 5 is okay, but I like 5. I'm going to go to 5 again. Here's 5 again. 4 on the others and 8 on Kira. Okay, here's 5 again. 5 on Master. See, louder car, right? You gotta have a louder car. Road noise and car noise. This is what you just went to, I think. 5 on Master, 4 on the others. Totally awesome. All right, I'm gone.